Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today, we will be replacing the buffer brush on our Atlas Pro lane machine. Before beginning, we will want to lower the brush to the down position. We will go main menu, test, output, and finally brush lift. You will now want to power down the lane machine using the emergency stop. From this position, you will want to secure the lid and we will move the machine to the transport position. With the machine in the transport position, you'll want to make sure you have the machine up against either a sturdy wall or have another person helping you to hold the machine steady. First, rotate the brush so that the placement pin is facing downward. Place one hand on the bumper bar and the other hand on the brush. You're going to want to pull towards the 10-pin side and the brush will dislodge. Gently lift out and set aside. With the roll pin slot down, take your new brush and line up the roll pin. With the 10-pin fully seated, we will now pull back on the brush and gently work in to seat the 4 roll pins on the 7-pin side. Once the machine is in the operating position, we will want to test the rotation of our buffer brush. Go to main menu, test, output, and finally buffer. Once you successfully replace the buffer brush, it is now time to go test the lane machine.